Time to clean the floor, and we're gonna use, this is one of our floor cleaning tools that we use to clean ceramic floors. Sometimes we use it also on wooden floors. But because just to be safe, we change the type of Bristol that we use. So we have different type of Bristols, I don't know if I'm saying the word properly, that we use, right? And each one has a different function. Each one, some of them are hard. This is what we use for wood. It's very soft. It doesn't, change. It doesn't, scratch. As to this, which is a little harder, right? Or compared to this, which is very hard. So each different one does a different job. This is very soft too. So each one does a different job depending on what we're going to use the tool for, right? So now let's look at, this is a wooden floor. So this wooden floor, we haven't done anything yet. First thing we're going to do is vacuum it. We're gonna vacuum everything on the floor. Once the floor is vacuumed, then we're going to put a finishing on it to make it shine. So that's all we're doing, right? This one is straightforward. It's not anything extraordinary because there is no foreign substance introduced to the floor, right? So that's one thing. Over here, same thing. This is wood. So what we're going to do on the staircase is different from what we're going to do on the basement floor, because this is tiles, right? These are tiles. So we are cleaning inside everything, right? These are tiles, and they are all going to get vacuumed and cleaned. Right? Cleaning everything inside everywhere. So that is part of it. So this is tile floors, where we're gonna put a finishing on it and then make it look much better. And we also have haze. See right here, this is haze. So we're going to remove the haze, right? Remove the haze, and then we are done on the floor. So vacuum the floor and then remove the haze from the floor.